nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Saweeeeetie, and today I'm coming to you guys with a SHEIN nighttime haul. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys would like to see what I got from SHEIN, keep watching. I got a whole bunch of these underwears, some black undies, because you know the girls need some drawers. You get what I'm trying to say? So this is what I got. Okay, and they're like a thong undie. Let me show you guys. Well, no, these aren't the thong ones. I don't know what these are, but I bought mad underwears, a lot of different stuff from SHEIN. So these are really nice. So just some black underwear, because I don't like to wear underwears, but this year I'm going to be wearing a lot more jeans to work. I'm working on my work wardrobe. So when I wear jeans, I normally wear leggings. I wear a lot of leggings, a lot of dresses, jumpsuits, so I don't have to wear underwears. But with jeans, I do have to wear underwear. And the only undies that I do have, because I really only wear jeans when I go out, is like a girdle underwear. And those are just not comfortable to be wearing 8 hours or whatever, however long I be at work. And all the underwears that I got them in a medium. They're extremely comfortable, extremely stretchy. Just pre-wash all your stuff before wearing them. Okay, so next I got this 2-piece. And excuse my black bra. I got big boobs, so I don't know. Should I show you guys what it looks like without a bra? I don't know. But this is the 2-piece I got for sleep time. Very cute and comfortable. Just for around the house. Let me show you guys what it looks like without the bra. The straps you can tighten. There we go. Support those things. And I actually got this in 2 colors. I got big boobs. I'm like a triple A. So this is what it looks like without the bra, which is actually comfortable because I wanted to buy stuff that I could wear around the house when I'm just lounging around and not have to, because like I said, I don't like to wear undergarment. So this is just easier for me to just throw this on, know that I feel supported, you know, and it's cute. Okay. This is it in black, super cute. Up close, the material is like a ribbed, stretchy nylon, so it's very stretchy. Everything that I ordered comes in a medium. Order the size that fits you, worry about you and your size only. This is the size that I like to order, and it feels very comfortable. Like I said, very stretchy. It's a little see-through actually, but it's for the house, so it kind of feels like the waffle robe. It's kind of giving roby. I still have the black 2-piece underneath it, just because like I said, it literally has well, the buttons don't go all the way down. It's just 3 buttons down the middle, but it's still cute and comfortable. Something for in the house, straight out the shower, just throw it on. Yeah, I like it. It feels really comfortable. It's not too thick. Like I said, it has like the waffle type of feel material. I don't remember the size that I ordered, but of course I'm gonna add it here. Yeah, this is it. It has a little split on the side. Cute for in the house. Okay, so this is the next one, which I love. It makes me want to have like a little what do you call it? A little slumber party with the girls. So it's like a white with black trimming. This I ordered in a large because silk, you can't play around with silk. You want to be comfortable, and as you can see, it's like baggy here, but it's comfortable where I can sit and feel comfortable. So I like this one. Comment down below also, let me know which one is your favorite outfit. This is the next one, which is another silk one that I did order in a large because it is silk. Very comfortable, like I said. She actually got some good shit, I ain't gonna hold you, okay? For the nighttime. It actually got like a little stretch to it, but a large is what I like to order when wearing sleep time clothes because I want to be as comfortable as possible when I am going to sleep. So yeah, this is what I have. 2-piece. This is how long the shorts are in the back. Short sleeve. Has a cute pocket in the front. Yeah, super cute. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a dress. It kind of gives me t-shirt material, but it's nice length, very comfortable. You know, just nighttime wear. Has this cute little pocket in the front. Yeah, really cute. And I love gowns because I like to be very minimalistic when I go to bed. I just want to take a shower, put on something comfortable. I really don't like to wear like pants or shorts and stuff to bed. But the pants and shorts and things that I did order is more so for like, you know, when I have company over and just stuff to wear, so I don't have a dress on, just, you know, flowing ass everywhere. And the next one that I have is this blue silk dress. This is, you know, something probably I would wear with my friends around. It's a nice one, cute little split. This part doesn't have a thingy on it, so that's why I have my bra on because these things don't hold themselves up. Yeah, I feel like it. This is really cute. It feels real sexy. You know, after a real cute self-care night, you just want to throw this on, just giving vibes. Yeah, I like it. I just do wish that this part had like that little strap on it so I could wear it without a bra. But I'm gonna wear it without a bra. I'm just wearing it for a bra for the purpose of the video. So yeah. Okay, and lastly, I bought these bras that I wanted to wear like when I'm in the house, not really doing anything, but kind of need a bra on while you know, either producing content or something. But they do not really fit like that. Actually, let me try it without the padding in because it's not given with the padding in. So this is how it fits. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna wear underneath some of this stuff when I go to sleep, just for something to support. I mean, not to go to sleep. Like if I'm running around the house cleaning up or whatever, and I have on like my little nightgown, just so this way my things is not thinking. I am gonna wear something like this. So I have this in a few different colors. Like I have this one. Which, are they the same color? Maybe they are the same color. Oh, this one's actually a little different. This one has a crisscross in the front, which probably, this is not gonna support my titties cleaning up. It's just gonna fall out. But I don't know, I just wanted to get something that I could wear underneath my sleepwear when I am lounging around the house. And I did order these in a large. I probably should have got an extra large to support my boob cup, but I didn't want to order an extra large and then this part be too big and not really be able to tighten and lift them. So I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it. Honestly, this stuff was so cheap, it's not really a loss. So yeah, and then I also got this black sports bra, which again, too small, but I'm gonna wear it around the house. So yeah, I got some socks. These are some black socks. I'm gonna put in the I'm gonna drop it in the video. And then I also got a pack of black short socks, gray short socks, white short socks. I actually got 2 packs of these because I like to wear high socks with my Yeezys at work. I wear all black at work, so I typically like to wear black socks to match.